Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rescues and Solutions in Your Kitchen. So here are the top problem. If you experience that, well, don't worry, we have a solution. Do you know that a milk won't burn as easily if the pan is rinsed out with cold water before heating it up? And also, add a little vegetable oil to the pan to prevent butter from browning. Note: add a dash of vinegar or salt to the pan of water if an egg bursts while you are boiling it. Also, prevent fried fish from sticking to the pan by dusting it with flour or putting a salt into the frying oil. Now, this is the rescue solution for a tough stewing meat and homemade mayonnaise. Do you love to eat cakes and noodles? Or you want to bake cake and cook noodles? Well, this is the rescues and solution for cakes and noodles. Now we're going to tackle problems towards soups, sauce, and gravies. Here is the problem towards saltiness. You can neutralize saltiness with a mixture of cider or wine vinegar and sugar in equal proportion. And grate a potato into soups or stews to reduce excessive saltiness. Note: the following are the tips for overly spiced, too garlicky, and blandy soups. In this portion, this is the rescues and solution for burned potatoes. Here is the rescues and solution for burned roast and burned casserole. That's it guys. If you experience that, please comment down your reaction and suggestion for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.